Good morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go inside of CVS and check out the deals that are not great deals starting the 20th of October. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So the first deal that I would say you guys might want to pass on is the L'Oreal skincare deal. So the L'Oreal skincare deal is spend $25, get $5 back in extra care bucks. And why I say that I think that you should wait on this is because I always like to do the L'Oreal skincare deals when it's spend 30, get 10. And why is because I find it easier to get to that $30 mark when it's spend 30, get 10 versus spend 25 and get 5. However, you know, if you want to go in here and buy like, I don't know, 5 of the L'Oreal makeup wipes, you absolutely could do that if you wanted to. But personally, I just think that it's easier to get to a $30 mark versus a $25 mark. And while we're talking about this, I actually picked these up 2 weeks ago. And I do not like them because they like burn my eyelids. So if you were curious of, you know, trying out this L'Oreal makeup removing wipe, so just proceed with caution with this guy right here because it did burn the skin for me. All right, you guys, so this next current sale cycle starting the 20th of October, CVS brand vitamins are buy one, get one 50%. And why you want to pass on this is because the minimum you guys need to be getting vitamins is always on a buy one, get one free sale. So today is I think it's the 15th when I'm filming this, and they're currently buy one, get one free. So always wait until it is a buy one, get one free sale. Never buy vitamins at a buy one, get one 50%. Okay, so another deal that I would pass on this week is the Physicians Formula, because Physicians Formula is spend 15, get 6. So if you had like no CRTs for like cosmetics, you would have to get to $15, and then you only get a $6 extra care buck back, making it like $9 still. So I don't think that would be a good deal. Even if you have a CRT, I would definitely consider waiting until it's at least a spend 10, get 7. We get that all the time. So in a spend 10, get 7, you could buy one of the Lippies for $9.99, then you get the $7 extra care bucks. So I would always wait for at least a spend 10, get $7 in extra care bucks. All right, you guys, so the 20th, starting the 20th is not the week to buy Pampers. Let me tell you why. They're on a spend 25, get $7 back in extra care bucks. And today when I'm currently filming, it is buy 20 and get $5 in extra care bucks, and they're on sale for $9.99. So it's gonna be difficult for you guys. You would actually have to buy 3 of the packages versus this current sale week, you only have to buy 2 of the packages because it's buy 20, get 5 versus buy 25, you're going to get 7. So you would have to actually buy 3 packages of diapers versus just having to buy 2. So hold off on your Pampers purchases if you can. So as you can see, it's a pretty good week over at CVS. So I only had about 4 or 5 deals that I showed you guys in this video in terms of what you shouldn't be shopping for at CVS. So this one is a little smaller. So I thought I would go ahead and just talk to you guys about what I mean when I say sales cycle. So you guys had some questions for me last week, meaning like, what does a sales cycle mean? What are you talking about? So what I mean with sales cycles is you'll see in different stores that they will cycle the same sales typically once a month. So whether if it's CVS, we typically have a, you know, spend 30, get 10 on various items. And we tend to see that type of sale once a month. Usually when we get high value coupons for different brands like Eucerin and Aquaphor and CeraVe, we're likely going to get an extra care buck deal. So similar to the Almay coupons, I knew that eventually CVS was going to cycle around another spend 12, get 4. And that is the case starting the 20th. So when I mean sales cycles, that's what I mean. CVS cycles out their deals every single month. Every single month you're going to be seeing the repeat deals. So when you start to get a better handle on the sales and the deals and the coupons, you're always going to see some sort of extra care buck deal coming on with like P&G products whenever the P&G coupons are issued in the newspapers. This is also seen over at Target too. Like you're always going to find some sort of Tide deal. You're always going to find some sort of diaper deal. That's just how the sales cycles work. So I just wanted to touch on that really quickly because I had a few questions about that. But just because there are only a few deals you shouldn't do, I'm still going to be posting these videos every single week so I can try to educate you guys on what a good deal is versus what a bad deal is. So thank you guys so much for watching today's what not to buy over at CVS. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye guys.